Hello, people. You've been here before. Welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Humberto Piña. And this is a series of video tutorials for students, people in general who want to get a better score on the TOEFL test. You can use this independently, or you can use it along with a course, TOEFL preparation course that you may be taking. Okay, so we are in the structured and written expression section of the TOEFL test, and today we're going to work with skill 36. We have been working with the proper use of the verbs. So skill 36 says, use the correct tense with will and would. Certain combinations of verbs are very common in English. One is the combination of the simple present and will. I know that they will arrive soon. Present tense and combination with future. I know this will happen. It is certain that he will graduate. Another combination that is quite common is the combination of simple past and would. I knew that he would arrive. It was certain that he would graduate. It is important to stress out that in the combination discussed here, the present should be used with will and the past should be used with would. They generally should not be mixed. The common errors that must generally be avoided are the combination of the past with will and present with would. Here you can see some examples of incorrect sentences or ungrammatical sentences. I know that he would arrive soon. But as you can see, we have the present tense, I know, which does not match with the verb, with modal auxiliary would, okay? So I will have to change that to either say, I knew that he would arrive soon, or I know that he will arrive soon. So present with will and past with. It was certain that he will graduate again. Was is in the past and will is in the future. So it's logical, they don't match together. We can correct that either in the past, it was certain that he will graduate, or in the present, it is certain that he will graduate. So here we got a chart which outlines the use of tenses with will and would. We use will after the present tense, and we never use it with the past. And we use would with the past tense and never with the present tense. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to move on to exercise 36. And here it reads, each of the following sentences contains will and would. Underline the verbs twice and decide if the meanings are logical. Then indicate the sense correct or incorrect. For the examples, he knew that he will be able to pass the exam. So this is the past and this is the future. This is incorrect. It should be, he knew that he would be able to pass the exam. Number 2, I think that I will leave tomorrow, present and future. This is correct. No problem. Okay, now it's time for you to pause the video, complete the activity, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, so pause the video now, and I'll be here when you come back. Okay, now that you're back, let's see what you did. Paula did not say when she will finish the project. Okay, so past and future, they don't match together. It should be, Paula did not say when she would will finish the project. So that's incorrect. Jake doubts, present tense, that he would have time to finish the project. Present and would, they don't match. So this is also incorrect. It should be will. I know that I will go if I can't afford. Past the present with future, conditional, present tense. This is correct. The police officer indicated, past tense, that he would write a ticket if he has the time. Okay, so here we have a problem. This is the past, this is would, but this is the present, so should be if he had the time, the past. Students will often study in the library before they go to class or before they go home. So we have present tense, and future. This is correct. He told me, past tense, that he thought, past tense, he will get the job in spite of his lack of education. So past tense, and will. This is incorrect. It should be would with past tense. The executive vice president emphasizes present tense. The conference of the board would not change his position. So present tense with would, they do not match. So this is incorrect. Should be he will. The board will not change his position. And students will register for classes according to who has the highest number of units. So present tense with will. Yes, this is correct. All right, so take a look at what we did. Compare it with your activity. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down here. And I will get back to you. And so if you like the content of the video, please give a thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider joining so the channel can get bigger, stronger. And if you know anybody who can benefit from a series of free video tutorials, please share them with them. Because, this is here and it's available for anyone who might need it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.